If you're about it, I'm down for an EVO.
This boy's spicy.
Bad bitch, she giving me neck. Look at the boogers, the baguettes. Young nigga got diamonds on his neck, yeah. Bad bitch, bad bitch. Bad bitch, she giving me neck. Look at the boogers, the baguettes.
Yo, we all voters for Zoe checking in. Steady swerving into another lane by accident. So yeah, we haven't filmed a nighttime episode in bear time, and we haven't filmed a POV not on the goddamn mount episode in a long time. So we're really going back in time with this one. Just about to pull up to the homies. I really wanted to come out earlier, but I had some shit to do, aka stress on some bullshit, but we out here now. I really wanted to take advantage of the nicer weather, but at least it's not like negative or whatever. Back to the old style, it's just hella night cruises and shit. Probably get a little bit of footage, probably take a couple pics or something, maybe a moon or two. Should be alright, but I'ma holler when I pull up. Yeah. Okay fam, before you leave, I have to get some vlog footage odds. So, man's finally pulled up, gear tight, did a couple shots. Bare beamers on deck. But, motherfucker, I don't have my gimbal or like the balancer shit, so I can't really use this thing. It's good for shots. I got my regular lens in there. It's good for just taking pictures. I can't really vlog with it, but whatever. We on deck. We on deck. We on deck. We on deck. Yeah, yo, man, out here, dog. Trying to get my brand awareness out here, you know. So the homie has to leave, but another time he's gonna let me do a little review on his X6. Right now he's got it on non-tall man settings for the seat, so I can't really slide in there. But I already whipped this thing. It's freaking dirty. Niggas don't play with him. Niggas don't want that M mode. I lie. Niggas don't want that M mode, fam.
I gotta big up Drizzy, the one and only Drake, fam. He's a man of his word, fam. He doubled my money. And on top of that, fam, I told him about my OSAP, and he cleared my debts, fam. So I gotta big this guy up one more time. He's the biggest name in the city, fam. Drizzy Drake, fam. I'm trying to be like him one day and put the man to man in the city, fam.
Fuck out of here, guys. And you know, man has to have his waifu chilling. Big waifu. Bare M's on deck. Ready? Hold on. How many M's in the rainbow? 1 M, 2 M, 3 M's in the rainbow. Oh yeah, let me get some for the vlog. Okay. And the honorary. Hey. Jeez. That wastegate though. Bare wastegate. Peace, bruh. He's not playing with nobody today. He ain't playing with nobody today.
Pretty fast. Anything done to it?
Bro, tell him to meet you in the corners,
stock
bro.
is fucked.
Why big stock is good?
Is it actually stock? Yeah. No. You want a turbo? Huh? You want like aftermarket turbo? Me? Yeah. No, I just didn't take it. I don't even have a full down pipe yet.
Were you trying to run him?
Yeah, why not?
Say a word.
It's just an empty.
Say a word, yo. It's just an M3, right? Just
They're
like mine.
quick.
Just like mine. Just an M3,
I just have a
bro.
Lancer, so I swear on my life. I swear on my life. Yeah, it's an EVO.
Yo, what made you want to smoke with this one, but not this one?
I don't know.
You just thought this one's not fast?
No, I just really want one of these one day.
Oh, okay, I rate it. Give him a run
335?
still.
Why?
Because it's hard out here.
That seems like an unnecessary front. Like, I'm just trying to, like, say what's up. Well, did I ask for money? Did I ask for money? Well, no, I would have been asking him for money for one. No, let's just go no. No. I literally just did. Are you good, bro? Are you okay? Okay, thank you. Anyway, if you're about it, I'm down for an 80 voice.
This boy's spicy.
No, I just fucking love this
Holy.
thing, dude. These things are sick. I'm saying
That EVO energy, eh?
I'm just
Holy shit, bro. You seen
Kinda rough
that?
day, I
This guy got that EVO energy, man. So you're good, fam? Let's say you're good.
Bro, what's a relax? Look, bro, you beat. What's wrong with this fucking bucket, bro? You're giving me waist hits, bro. You type of weight is not fucking lip, bro. Watch your lip. Bro, like, what are you dealing with? Yeah. Are you dumb, bro? Are you good, bro?
No, seriously, I actually love these things. These things are awesome.
But how come you don't want that smoke? That's turbo versus turbo. NA versus turbo, that's never fair.
I've raced a couple. Like,
You're not impressed?
No. Up top, if it's like, is that like low boost? So am I. It's winter, but like, if that's stage 2, he's gonna have.
But you
to
have
up
more
top.
boost in winter. The air's denser.
No, I have it turned down for winter.
Turn it down?
I turn it down so you don't have boost. But,
Yeah, because you get more dense and fucking.
who fucks with me?
I know that.
No, if there's stage 2, they have me up top. After 200, my top end's shit because I don't have a downpipe. Like I said, not like. So like, my 80 to 200 is pretty solid, but then he'll pass me up to 200, so there's no point. And given the energy he just gave me, he probably doesn't let off.
I rate this guy. Yo, this guy's joke.
Bro, I'm not talking shit. I just think you have good energy to beat me. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway, bro, if you're down, I'm down. Like no.
He's fucking with you, bro. He's fucking with you. He'll probably go for a pull.
I can wait in a bit. Yeah. Huh?
You know, they gotta warm up the oil.
This thing's awesome, man.
Are you guys running today? Should I be chase cam?
Maybe, whatever. It's okay.
Should I be the
If it
chase
happens,
cam?
honestly, I did come here to talk shit. Like I fucking love this thing. I just always wanted to do a passive one. It's all good.
It's
all
the
good. What's
Euro
your
versus
Instagram?
JDM energy, fam.
I don't really care. The Longo? ELN? CO? SR? S65. Got you, man. It's cool to meet you. My name is Xerxes. I followed you back.
Yo, this you was spicy, eh? Holy shit. Yo, the you was spicy.
He thinks it's fun and games. You know, we don't race here for no money.
Yo, a man that small who has that kind of energy has to know jujitsu, because that's the only reason like you're beaking like that. Like what are you doing? Yo, you're good, bro.
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
Oh shit, yo, you have pure turbos? Okay, 'cause I'm like, yo, the wastegate sound nice on those things. I'm like, those aren't those little baby stock.
Why do you think like that?
I lied, man. I didn't see the sticker, bro.
Why do you think it's on one side,
I
bro?
was peeking from the corner, fam. Yo, EVO man, if you ever see this one day, or that.
Just stage 2, yo. Just past 200.
Only
That's it.
stage 2, fam. Let me warm this bitch up. Yo, I'm back, but I'm tight as fuck. I just ran my boy with the E92 here, and it was like such an even fucking race. Like, oh, it was a clean run. 414 stock, 333 stock, but I got some work. I know my shit's close to like 400. You're gonna be in the vlog, fam. Yeah, filming us. We gotta get another run for the cam. Bro, that's gonna be a viral hit, like E92 versus E46. Yo, is this Eglinton here?
Yeah.
We should take the Eglinton route. The Eglinton route's fun still. But if you, what's your route? Oh, and then you turn left, like you go up Dundas and then turn left? Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, his is DCT as well. That's pretty gang. I got the jump on him, I think. What you say? You trying to get, huh? Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Let's take it easy. Downshift is nasty. Imagine that's a pure regionalized. Oh, Lord. That was beautiful. Yes. Let's get it. Yes. That was a wicked sound. Okay, he's definitely slapped me that time. The first time we ran, it was like a good ass. Like I was at a perfect RPM where I had good torque, and then my next gear was mid. Oh shit! Is that a Whine? Fuck that! I seen the White. Sorry, but I had to ditch. Oh no! Fuck that! He makes some maneuvers, buddy. I seen that, yo. My spidey senses are too good for with these feds, man. Once I seen that, I was out. Fuck that. I ain't fucking with these niggas, man. I ain't fucking with these boys, man. Let me see if I message homie or something. Yo, you vote for Zoe, nigga. Yeah, so that was eventful, like rather eventful. So the homie's all good. He's gonna dip out. Pretty much, we're heading to the spot. The little twisties go beat up them roads after obviously terrorizing the streets. Then this motherfucker, we were about to turn on our little road, and there was an op right there, right in front of homie. I seen that. As soon as he turned left, I seen the fucking lights, or like the, what is it called? Like the decal shine up in my motherfucking eye. And I was like, hell no, I'm out this bitch, Audi 5000, peace, easy. And so pretty much I made my great escape. And then fuck, I wish I had it on cam, but not little homie hailed me up at the light, told me hi, he has one of these, loves my car, all that shit. Told me his little mod, shout out to you. Gave him a little rip. And then there was a white 335 has to the side of me. He wanted a little smoke, but I already shut it down for the night because I already know the feds are out here. So I wasn't trying to run into nobody. I wasn't trying to hit no surprises. So I just fucking, you know, once you see them, once you know you've been doing wrong and shit in the streets, once you see the white them, just go home, you know, fuck it. There's no point because, you know, you're either gonna run into them or they've been looking for you, some shit like that. So we Audi 5000. You don't know a brother such as myself in a vehicle such as this with tint levels as dark as these. They want to know what up. My bitch ass ain't getting pulled over again for no motherfucking body. I'm just gonna end it off here. Y'all whole ass niggas that be in my motherfucking DM sucking nigga dicks always. And we out. Oh, let me try that again. Ready. Bam! Nigga! Bam!
Ain't no trapping shit, ain't no drilling shit, but a nigga getting his fucking chips on his legal shit or illegal shit. Nigga moving like regal shit. Windows tinted on the winter whip, no nigga, this not a rental. Don't disrespect me, Moolah first Kendo. Shout out to Moolah first, nigga, getting on to the Moolah first. Killing versus nigga, bring a hearse. Like I said in the other song, don't treat me like King Von. If I beat your ass, nigga, put the gun away, put them guns down, nigga, fist fight. I will lay you down, alright. Pulling off in the whip at night, and the chick said it's impressive. I shipped the whip from first to second, then I went to third. Told her to hold my necklace, but the bitch is naked just like a bird. Later on she got naked. Y'all niggas spitting the verses, put a nigga in the hearses. Goddamn, bring the nurses.
Diamond district with the diamonds. Had to learn the patience with the time and wish some niggas skipped it with the violence. Tired of the crime and the signs. Crazy trying to pay us for the votes, trying to keep your hands off the coke, but they still gon' take